Between 2027 and 2035, Bangladesh is focusing on consolidating its massive transport and energy networks, prioritizing debt management, and the operational rollout of multi-billion-dollar megaprojects initiated in previous years. Rooppur Nuclear Power Plant. Located on the bank of the Padma River in Ishwari, Bangladesh, the Rooppur Nuclear Power Plant is the country's first nuclear power facility. It features two VVER 1200 reactors, providing a combined capacity of 2,400 megawatts. The $12.65 billion megaproject is a massive leap for Bangladesh's. Initial fuel loading for Unit 1 commenced in April 2026, with full project completion targeted for 2027. Dhaka Metro Rail expansion. Dhaka's mass rapid transit network is undergoing a major expansion to relieve city congestion. Currently, only Mass Rapid Transit Line 6 is fully operational, while Lines 1 and 5 are under construction, and Lines 2 and 4 remain in the planning stages. Mass Rapid Transit Line 1. Spanning 31.24 kilometers, it is the city's first underground metro. Completion around 2029. Mass Rapid Transit Line 2. A 24 kilometers planned north-south alignment. It is currently in the initial design and development stages. Mass Rapid Transit Line 4. A 16 kilometers planned route running east-west. Planning and financing are still in the preliminary stages. Mass Rapid Transit Line 5. A 20-kilometer east-west line featuring both underground and elevated sections. Construction is underway, with this route designed to connect with Mass Rapid Transit Line 6 at Mirpur and Line 1 at Notun Bazaar. Mass Rapid Transit Line 6, the 20-kilometer operational north-south line. Matarbari Deep Sea Port is Bangladesh's first major deep water port, located in Cox's Bazar. It features a 14.5-meter draft to dock 8,200 vessels. The integrated development spans 2025 to 2055, targeting $60 billion in investments to create a major industrial and logistics hub. The project aims to significantly reduce shipping times and costs, acting as an economic engine for the region. With operations targeted for 2029-2030, the port's initial 14 kilometers access channel was built to supply coal to the 1,200 megawatts Matarbari power complex. Proposals include a $1 billion shipbuilding and repair facility to service large commercial ships. Dhaka Elevated Expressway. The Dhaka Elevated Expressway is Bangladesh's first elevated expressway, stretching 19.73 kilometers, 46.73 kilometers including all ramps. A 12.5-kilometer stretch from the airport to the Farmgate FDC area is operational, bypassing severe city traffic. The remaining segments are under construction, with the full corridor slated for completion by December 2028. The Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Railway Bridge is a 4.8-kilometer dedicated dual-gauge double-track bridge over the Jamuna River in Bangladesh. Located 300 meters upstream of the original Bangabandhu Bridge, it significantly improves rail connectivity between Dhaka and the country's northern and western districts by increasing train speeds and eliminating capacity bottlenecks. The Dhaka-Ashulia Elevated Expressway is a major 24-kilometer infrastructure project under construction in Bangladesh, designed to drastically reduce traffic congestion and connect the capital with major industrial zones. On July 22, 2026, the Executive Committee of the National Economic Council approved its second major project revision, officially extending the final completion deadline to June 30, 2030. Starts at Kaula, near Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport, where it links to the Dhaka Elevated Expressway and passes through Abdullapur, Kamarpara, Dower, Ashulia, Zirabo, and Baipile, ending at Sripur bus stand in Savar. The Podma Barrage and Water Conservation Project is a massive river engineering initiative located at Pangsha in the Rajbari district of Bangladesh. Situated on the Padma River, this project spans approximately 2.1 kilometers. The first phase was officially approved, with construction scheduled to run until 2033. Designed to impound 2.9 billion cubic meters of water to combat dry season water scarcity, mitigate the effects of the upstream Faraka Barrage, and prevent saltwater intrusion. The Chattogram-Dohazari dual-gauge railway conversion is a major infrastructure project by Bangladesh Railway designed to upgrade the existing 45-kilometer single-track meter-gauge line to a dual-gauge track, improving freight and passenger connectivity to Cox's Bazar. The upgrade is slated for completion by June 2028. Project scope: dual-gauging of the track and construction of a 2.5-kilometer bypass line. to allow direct operations from Dhaka to Cox's Bazar without stopping at Chattogram Station. Upgrading signal and telecommunication systems to computer-based interlocking. Reconstruction/renovation of 17 stations, 3 completely rebuilt. Rebuilding 20 major and 68 minor bridges alongside establishing 3 rail overpasses. Procurement of 30 meter-gauge diesel-electric locomotives to increase network capacity. Dhaka Circular Railway is an 80.89-kilometer planned suburban rail network designed to loop around Greater Dhaka and reduce severe road congestion. Estimated at $8.4 billion, the project proposes 24 stations with 11 interchanging stops connecting to the city's subway network and rapid transport systems. The circular railway route is planned to loop through the city's inner ring road, featuring both elevated and underground sections. The proposed line runs from Tongi through Demra, Chasara, Babu Bazar, Gabtali, Barulia, and Dower before returning to Tongi. A total of 24 stations are planned, including 11 interchanging hubs to allow seamless transfers between transport modes.